Ayan po, good evening everyone. Maraming salamat po sa inyong time. To those who didn't know me yet, my name is Divina. Tubong Negros, nandito na po kami ngayon sa Canada along with my family. Ang ipapakita ko po sa inyo ngayon ay isang company na ito po ay um, it was started on October of last year. But then nag-upgrade po sila, we name it One Trade, nag-start lang po noong June 2. So it's just over a month since One Trade existed. Um, allow me to share my screen po. At maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat na nandito at sa time po. Alright, where is my slides? Sorry guys. Alright, here we go. Ayan. So, let me start. Tago po muna natin kayo. Tago muna natin yung ating videos. Ayan. Let me start with a disclaimer po. So, ang company po, ng pangalan po ng company is One Trade or our group. So, we call it Smarter Choice, Stronger Futures. Kasi po, I've been into online business for 12 years. I found this arbitrage trading, it's very simplified and set and forget. I called it set and forget lang siya. Okay, disclaimer though. Importance of this information. This presentation is provided for educational and informational purpose only. All right, our group and One Trade are technology platforms that provides access to digital assets, related services, and educational resources. Nothing in this presentation should be interpreted as financial, investment, legal, accounting, or tax advice. All right, so you have to do all your due diligence. I will present you the material, but first, do all your due diligence before taking any actions. All right, participation is voluntarily. Please conduct your own independent research, review official company information, and consult qualified professionals before making any financial decisions, because investing in the financial market is taking into a lot of risk, right? So, especially digital assets and related technologies involve risk. Past performance, historical example, or illustrations do not guarantee future result. Individual outcomes may vary based on personal circumstances and market conditions. All right, ayan, klarang-klaro po yan. All trademarks, logos of the company's name belong to their respective owners and are used for identification purpose only. All right, so please rely on official One Trade and ARB Group communication for the most current information regarding products, services, policies, and compliance requirements. Your trust is our priority. We are committed to transparency, integrity, and empowering you to make informed decision. Ayan po. All right, let's move on to this next slide. Ayan siya. So One Trade or ARB Group, this is our team. So ako po to, your business partner. I call all of you as a business partner. Hindi ko kayo tinatawag na downline or upline. This is our CEO, Evgen Levin. He is from Russia. He is a very simple guy. Lahat po, mamimit po natin siya sa mga international forum. Minsan 2 to 3 times a week. Business partners, our business partners from New Zealand. Her name is Janice Klein Butaon. And because of her, we found One Trade. Ayan po. So, ito po, I will show you the products, the tools, the exchanges, the assets. So, One Trade is an arbitrage trading, and I will also show you the result. But again, past profit doesn't guarantee future gain. And once you have an account, you have access to your account, not everyone else but you. All right. So solution does help you adapt, plan, and move forward with confidence. Ayan po. And later on, we have to have question and answers po. Okay, next slide is open crypto arbitrage. So we're trading arbitrage, we're trading a crypto asset or digital assets. All right. So based on public trading with high liquidity talaga ang cryptocurrencies. It is nominal participants in one extensive R group corporation. So holds dual authorization, brokerage, and cryptocurrency licenses. So once we literally see, makikita talaga natin yung transaction ID. Okay? After we fund or we receive or withdraw our asset, makikita natin siya. So overview over arbitrage trading via API. So talagang makikita natin sa back office. Later on, if I will show you the back office, okay? So for example, ito po yung ating asset. Ngayon, makikita po dito, pag kinlik po yan po yung transaction ID, may third party po na dadaanan bago po natin makikita yung ating asset. Ayun, makikita din po natin yung tinitrade nila or binabay nila ni arbitrage. Ayan. Deposit confirmation via invoices. May invoice talaga. Okay, profit withdrawal via smart contract. Ayan. So, legal activities. We all have licenses. Okay. Ayan po, license din po tayo sa North America, South America, Europe, Asia, and South Africa and Kenya, and over like 200 plus countries. Okay, ayan po. So, ang arbitrage po is automated and logical. As its flow, it's available for monitoring for every transaction ID. So, may transaction ID po talaga. There's no hidden fees. We don't have a educational course. Wala po tayong bibilhin ng mga ganun mga courses. Wala po tayong monthly subscriptions. All you have to do is fund. Okay? So, transaction ID of arbitrage transactions are displayed in public blockchain registries. Ayan. Transparent po ang arbitrage. Ayan po. So, ensured by the publicity of the blockchain. So, pag nagbayan po tayo, ito po yung ibig sabihin ng transaction ID. Makikita po talaga natin yung resibo kung saan po dumaan at yung ating binayaran. At lahat po na history. Ayan. Blockchain is securely and trust. And one third participant can verify transaction ID of arbitrage transaction. Ayun. So, mamaya ako ipapakita ko sa inyo sa aking back office. Now, next po is, ito po yon, open and public API. So, every one trade arbitrage participant has access to trading on crypto exchanges. Open trading processes and order books simultaneously across two accounts on crypto exchanges. So, clients can see what price and what portion of the pool is being sold or bought. Clients can see when opposing orders are used and at what price. Ayan. Clients can see the overall result of the bidding and of their actual spreads. Makikita talaga natin. So buying and selling, interchanges, arbitrage. We have made the system clear and transparent. Kagaya po nito. Ayan. Andyan po yung, kunwari ito po yung back office natin. Ayan po yung itsura. Yan po yung asset. Makikita po saan pinadala yung pera. Let's say nag-withdraw kayo. Yan po. Pag kinlik nyo lang yan, makikita talaga dyan yung transaction ID. Ganun po ka-transparent ang ating OneTrade. Alright. Next po is constant liquidity and high level of transaction security. So our group exchanges are continentally licensed and aggregate liquidity for Asia. Ito yung sinasabi ko kanina, Africa. May licenses po tayo sa mga countries na yan. North America, South America, Europe, providing a favorable price climate for arbitrage. Ayan siya. So HR Group. So OneTrade is the name of the company. Our group is the exchanges. So we own the company and the exchanges. Walang third party po na nagmamayari. Okay? Receives, our group exchanges receives liquidity from multiple sources in each region. Let's say Binance, North America, we use Binance and Kraken. So some other parts of the world, OKX, Coinbase, we have here too. Indodax, Rain, Mercado, Wena, so on and so forth. Ayan. So the one trading arbitrage strategy is backed buy unrevealed market depth. So, what I mean is makikita talaga natin yung liquidity at saka makikita talaga natin kung ano yung tinitrade every exchanges. Okay? So, hindi kagaya ng ibang investment na papakitaan lang tayo ng result, walang pinapakitang activities. Dito, it's very transparent. Makikita natin sa ating back office. Ayan po. So, next na po tayo. Okay. So, the arbitration spread is always positive. So, in 24 hours po, ng ating initial investment, which is minimum of 100 USDT, all right, automatically generation of arbitrage contract and invoice. So, ang daily return po ng ating $100, nagre-range po siya in between 1.07 plus. Mayroon pong minsang araw, 2.6. Mayroong 2.9. May minsan may 3.5. So, nagre-range po siya ng, let's say na lang, 1.07 to 3% daily return. So, after magkakaroon ka na ng daily return ng 1 to 3%, at umabot na ng $10 yung iyong return, pwede mo siyang i-auto-withdraw or kung gusto mong i-reinvest. Yan. Sa sinasabing contract and invoice, every time po na magkakaroon tayo ng fund initial investment, mayroon yan siyang invoice. Nagvi-vary po ang contract sa daily return ng ating investment. Nagre-range po siya ng 2 to 6 months depending on daily profit. Ayan. So, pag nagkaroon na po ng $10, pwede na po yung either ang iyong ginawa is nag-reinvest or nag-auto withdraw. Masisit up po natin yung wallet, mau-withdraw na po yan. Ginagamit po namin dito sa Canada is SafePal. Sa Philippines, ang ginagamit po sa Pilipinas ay GCash Market. GCrypto, I mean. Ayan, o pwede din daw Puenda.ph. Ayan. So, 35% plus per month and above. This is a systematic approach. So we analyze the market, filter request, post profitable offers, minimize risk, and scale result. So the difference between buying and selling rates can be from 0.25%, and with repeated transactions, this becomes a significant source of stable income. So, ang arbitrage po ay hindi kagaya ng forex trading na para bang hinahabol natin yung buy and sell. Dito po, arbitrage is trading the difference between buy and sell. So, ayan. So, by the way, wala na po tayong gagawin after we fund our account, set everything up, and then you just have to monitor it later. Kaya po nasabi ko na set and forget. Okay? Wala po kayong gagawin. See, one trade po ang magti-trade sa ating pera. Ayun. Okay, next po is, so ayan po, investment confirmation with invoice, na nabanggit ko kanina. Alright, so trading contract, mayroong trading contract din na nabanggit ko rin. Mayroon tayong obligations terms. So every time na magpa-fund tayo, contract is considered fulfilled when the total amount of payments reach full coverage, the obligation amounting to %. So let's say for example, naglagay tayo ng 100, pag nagiging 200 na yung pera mo, matatapos na yung contract. Pero hindi po natin malalaman ang specific date. Depending po yon sa daily result. Ayun. Now, ang regulations po, the OneTrade platform is managed by OneTrade Ltd. Okay, the company present a trading arbitrage core, including the technologies used for automated inter-exchange trading in OneTrade website, OneTrade Ltd. Yan po yung website. OneTrade company conducts arbitrage activities under dual licensing operator license for cryptocurrency trading platform. We are open internationally, okay? International brokerage license. So meron po tayong mga licenses. So it is one of the participants in the group of companies with the ARB Group Corporation, and it's regulated by the Finance Authority in accordance with international standard. Okay, so any amount invested in arbitrage is confirmed by an invoice. The document contains the company's obligation to the investors, the invoice records, the amount, and specifies the deadlines of fulfilling obligations. Ayan nga yung 200%. Ayan. So, client received 200% of the volume under management to their personal wallet address. Sisit up na po natin once choose po kayo ng auto-invest, auto-withdraw. Sisit up na po natin yung personal wallet address. Tapos once po na ma-reach ng $10 ay yung daily return, automatically na po papasok doon sa inyong wallet. So, i-monitor nyo lang na, let's say for example, mayroon kayong $100. So, di ba 1% ang nagre-range ang return? So, perhaps 10 days or less, mayroon na kayong $10 papasok sa inyong wallet. Ayun. So, profit is regenerated from the result of open arbitrage trading and it's sent daily to clients' personal wallet. Depending po yan sa inyong capital. Kasi kailangan po natin magkaroon muna ng $10 minimum bago po ma-auto-withdraw. Ayan. Okay. Now, easy access to the OneTrade. Wala pa po tayong mini app, but some other countries mayroon na. Mayroon lang po tayong website. Okay. So, secure services, service-side validation. Mayroon tayong Telegram, web app. Okay. Wala pa tayong mini app as I mentioned. CRM data, makikita talaga yung server, kung saan napunta yung pera, kung saan nanggagaling. Ganyan po siya ka transparent. Alright, so secure your money data talaga kasi ano siya, you are the one, kayo po yung naghawak sa inyong account. Makikita po natin as I show you po na talagang license po tayo. Para pong, as far as my experience po mas malaki pa po yung aking daily generated pera dito compare sa bangko. But again, past profit doesn't guarantee future gain. Okay. Ayan po. Ayan po ang lahat. Dito na po tayo sa next page. Ayan. This is simple automated system ang OneTrade. Progression is development and development is stable. Kaya po ang ginagamit nating coin, ina-advise ko po sa team is USDT BEP20 ang ating fina-fund kasi siyan po yung stable coin at saka mura din po yung gas fee. Ang tinitrade for now is USDT at saka Bitcoin ang ating pwedeng invest. But soon, Monday or Tuesday, magkakaroon na rin tayo ng Ethereum. Soon, XRP, so on and so forth. So, you earn 3% of your network income from 33 levels. Ito siya sa marketing side ito. This is completely optional. Kung gusto nyo lang mag-invest, earn 1 to 3% daily, and you don't have to do the marketing side. Some of my business partner, ginawa namin to. Kasi naman po, bakit naman hindi natin isi-share na nakita naman natin napakaganda talaga ni OneTrade since existed, right? So, ibig sabihin po ng 3% of your network's income from 33 level. Yan po. So, ang una pong rank, which is bronze. So, yan po. Sabi dito, what does rank advancement provide? Unlocking new tiers of debt, increase eligible network volume, growth, potential daily income. Yun, magkakaroon po tayo ng potential daily income or passive income once magkaroon po tayo ng affiliation side. Again, this is completely optional. All right. So examples marketing, suppose your structure has generated 1,000 USDT in volume, the system track volumes across all active levels. So an average of 24 hours, your partner's arbitrage spread amounted to 20,000, for example, USDT, your network program earns at a 3% rate would be $600 per day. So that's possible income for those people who market OneTrade with us. Ayun po. This is example, for example, ito yon. First rank po ng OneTrade is bronze. Kailangan nyo po na magkaroon ng 500 minimum deposit dalawang active direct, meaning nag-enroll po yan directly sa iyong website. Tapos total po ng kanilang volume is 1,000. At saka total po ng network is 1,000. Magkaroon po kayo ng another $100 extra. One-time bonus. Ayan po. Pag na-unlock nyo na yan, magkakaroon na kayo ng network bonus ng 3% sa inyong level 1 or 2, 3, kahit hindi nyo po sila direct, basta nailagay ng system under sa inyo. Ang paglagay po ng system under sa ating genealogy is automated. Ayan po. So on and so forth. All right. Next po, ito po yung structure. Sabi ko sa inyo kanina, first rank is bronze. Ayan po yung kailangan natin, 500 personal deposit, was 1,000 total volume, minimum active of 2,000. Time will come po, pag nabuo o napuno na po yung 1 to 3 level niya, minimum deposit or withdrawal is $1,000 US. Okay? So on and so forth. Ang akin na pong rank is gold, so I can earn 3% level 7 to 9. Ayan po siya.
Here's a save.
Pwede pong pakimute kung sino pong naka-unmute pa. Mag-unmute po tayo later on after the Zoom sa question and answer po. Thank you po. Ayan. So, but again, this is completely optional. Ang atin pong apply na si Coach Paul, he is infinity rank. So, kumikita na po siya ng 3% sa ating lahat, level 22 to 24. Ang kanyang personal deposit is 100,000, total volume na 250. Nag-i-earn na po siya ng daily sa kanyang network bonus, $8,000 US. At saka sa kanyang partner bonus. Unlimited po ang income ni One Trade pag i-market po natin siya. But again, that is completely optional. Okay? Ayan po. Hindi na po ako mag-tackle dyan kasi ibang tao lamang naman is nag-i-invest lang. Marami po ang mga investors dito. Ayan. So ito po yung 2% network volume. Okay? So additional reward system, ito po yun siyang sa network. Yung palang 3% kanina sa personal po yun. Meaning yung taong nag-ano sa inyo, directly nag-sign up sa inyong link. Sorry. At saka cashback pa rin. So we can potentially earn 5 stream of income dito pag ipinromote po natin si One Trade. Okay? I'm not gonna go dig deeply into that kasi narilito lang po tayo. Kung sino lang po yung interesadong mag-market, then I can onboard you once po na mag-join na kayo. Okay, thank you po. Now, ito po yung One Trade, let's leverage One Trade to unlock your full potential. Masasabi ko pong full potential kasi po, you just have to put your money and then nag-generate po ng return. Okay? In the world of financial management, the leader is resilient, transparent. Makikita po natin siya sa mga Zoom, balance, and stable strategic player po. Talagang ang ating pong CEO he's been into arbitrage trading for more or less than 15 years. Ganon po siya ka-talented. Okay? Here, there's not only public and verified arbitration, but also a unique economically sound financial strategy. Yan po yung One Trade. Okay? So thank you po sa lahat to attend to the Zoom. Kung mayroon po kayong mga questions, please open your mic and we can address it. Your time, attention, and engagement mean a lot to us. We appreciate your support and interest in One Trade and our group. We look forward to growing together and building a stronger future for you guys. Thank you so much po. Ayan, so sige po, mayroon po tayong mga questions. Please open your mic para po masagot ko po. Stop ko muna yung aking screen sharing. Sana. Oops. Stop. Ayun. Ayan guys. Narinig niyo po ba ako? Open po tayo for questions and answers. Ayan, okay. Thank you, everyone. Wow, mayroon tayong 11,000 members. Char. Ayan, guys. Sige. Tanong po tayo. Sino pong ano dito, bago? Sis Belle, ikaw ang tatawagin ko kasi hindi ka pa member eh. Dali, tanong po.
JR.